Igbo land, we raise our voice. This rhythm shakes the ground, it's our joy. They may say all sorts, but we know the way. In Igbo land, we ignite hope each day. Our own nation, where dreams will fly. From cities to villages, we'll reach for the sky. In every heart, we're igniting the spark. Together we're bound, we're lighting the dark. Igbo people, come together now. Igbo, rise up for our pride. Igbo land, this is where we thrive. It's about our nation, it's about our home. With pride in our hearts, let them all see we're rising, oh rising. Together we'll be free. Forget the north, dismiss the west. Let us shape our future, building the best. From the delta to the hills, we stand proud, ready to rise, let our voices shout loud. We're taking charge of our destiny now. With self-determination, we'll show them how. Industry and culture, flowing like a song. In unity and strength, we'll prove them wrong. Igbo people, come together now. Come together now. Igbo, rise up for our pride. Igbo land, this is where we thrive. It's about our nation, it's about our home. With pride in our hearts, let them all see we're rising, oh rising. Together we'll be free. No more lingering in shadows of the past. Our future is bright, let's build it to last. We'll construct our schools, our hospitals strong. With a vibrant economy, together we belong. Igbo Kwenu, this is dawn anew. Let's lift each other too. Together we'll dance and joy we'll sing. In every gathering, let our spirits take wing. From Enugu to New York, our praises will soar. In every corner of the globe, we'll open the door. Our children will flourish as we pave the way for brighter tomorrows. Let's seize the day. In harmony we'll rise, hand in hand, and unwavering spirit to unite to stand. Igbo people, come together now. Come together now. Igbo, rise up for our pride. Oh, Igbo land, this is where we thrive. It's about our nation, it's about our home. With pride in our hearts, let them all see we're rising, oh rising. Together we'll be free. Igbo land, where we thrive. Igbo land, our spirits alive. The future is bright, our dreams in sight. Our Igbo nation shining so bright. Rise up, let the world feel. Together we stand, one Igbo family, it's real. Let's celebrate dreams, let our voices flow. For every Igbo heart, let the love grow. Igbo people, come together now. Come together now. Igbo, rise up for our pride. Igbo land, this is where we thrive. It's about our nation, it's about our home. With pride in our hearts, let them all see we're rising, oh rising. Together we'll be free. Igbo land, where we thrive. Igbo land, our spirits alive.